Hello everyone, David Twabble, the Old Soul CFI here today with another tip for you, this one regarding takeoffs and landings in crosswinds. Most of us have been there before dealing with some crazy crosswind that pushes up the airplane or us to our limits. And today's no different for us. We're just about to leave St. Louis and head for Omaha, where the winds are out of the due west at 20 gusting 40, pretty stiff. And we've got to determine which airports we can use as our primary destination and as our alternates. And so I used this strategy I'm about to share with you to determine that, and hopefully this strategy will help you as you deal with crosswinds in the future. So know this, whenever the wind is 30 degrees off of runway centerline, the crosswind component of the total wind will be exactly half of the total wind. So if you're landing on runway 36, and the winds are out of 030, a 30-degree crosswind, that the wind will be exactly half of the total value. So let's say the total value is 20, gusting 40. Then we know the crosswind will be exactly 10, gusting 20. So this might help you as you go through trying to cherry pick which airports you can use, whether to take off or land at, and to determine what's safe and what isn't. So what it does is it lets you very quickly determine whether the crosswind is within your limits or not. So if you see an airport and the crosswind is, say, 20 degrees off runway centerline, and it's 10 gusting 20, then you know that the crosswind will be less than 5 gusting 10 because it's less than 30 degrees. If it's more than 30 degrees, all bets are off. So that helps you easily get rid of airports that you might otherwise consider. So let's say the wind's 40 degrees off runway centerline and the wind is 20 gusting 30. Well, then you know that crosswind is going to be more than 5 gusting 15. So if your limit is 15, whether yours or the airplane's, then that airport would not be suitable. So the next time you're looking at crosswinds, determine if the wind is within 30 degrees of runway centerline, take half of the total wind value, and you'll know the crosswind. Hopefully this technique will help you in the future, and stay safe out there flying. Talk with you next time.